Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi, I'm Swati and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of your blackheads at home. For the first step for this routine, you need 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well to form a smooth paste. Apply using a brush on areas most prone to blackheads. Leave it on for 10 minutes and scrub gently for a mild exfoliation. Rinse face after 10 minutes and pat dry. I'm going to follow this scrub with a mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey and milk. Apply on blackhead prone areas. Honey and milk are effective natural moisturizers that soften skins and make it easier to flush out blackheads. Rinse face after 10 minutes and pat dry. You can follow up this routine by gently moisturizing your face or applying aloe vera gel. There you have it, smooth and soft skin.